Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito lemon. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lemon, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. For the liquid components, grab 2 ounces of your favorite white rum and some chilled club soda. Make sure you have a sturdy glass and a muddler on hand to get started. This easy method will have you enjoying a refreshing drink in no time. Now, let's get to the fun part. Take your fresh mint leaves and 2 teaspoons of sugar, placing them directly into your glass. Next, cut your lemon in half and squeeze the juice from 1/2 into the glass with the mint and sugar. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients together for about 15 seconds. This releases the essential oils from the mint and dissolves the sugar, creating a fragrant base. With your muddled base ready, it's time to add the spirits. Carefully pour 2 ounces of white rum into the glass. Then, fill the entire glass to the brim with ice cubes. Finally, top off your drink with chilled club soda. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the flavors without losing too much fizz. This creates a perfectly balanced and refreshing beverage that's simple to make. To complete your perfect lemon mojito, add a fresh lemon sliced to the rim of the glass and a sprig of mint for an aromatic touch. Your delicious, easy-to-make mojito is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to savor the vibrant flavors of fresh lemon and cool mint. It's the ideal drink for any occasion. Also, if you're looking for other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, be sure to check the description below for all the links. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.